You searched how to buy shares of Warpaint London Plc, and this quick video will walk you through the basic steps. Warpaint London Plc is a professional cosmetics and hair care supplier listed on the LSE plc with the ticker W7L.L, and this is educational information, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker W7LL to locate Warpaint London Plc. Confirm the listing shows LSE and the correct company name before opening the asset page. On the asset page, review the company profile, product focus, and recent updates to confirm relevance. Check the price chart and the ticker W7L.L at the top to ensure this is the correct stock. To place an order, click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, choose the order type and review fees and details before submission. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the example shown. This is an educational demonstration.